Today, Grandpa and I will be eating Great Depression era food all day. Let's see what it cost us in 2022.
For breakfast, we are having some cornmeal mush. We are probably having 2 servings each. We like to top it with some butter and cinnamon. If you want to know how to make this, there is a link to the video below. We are having some apple juice and coffee with our breakfast. For 2 people, the cornmeal mush costs 40 cents, the butter costs 30 cents, the cinnamon costs 2 cents, the coffee costs 40 cents, the apple juice costs 20 cents. The total for breakfast was $1.32.
For lunch, we are having tomato soup and a tuna fish sandwich. If you want to know how to make the soup, there is a link to the video below. For 2 people, the tomato sauce cost 80 cents, the sugar cost a nickel, the tuna fish cost $1.25, the mayonnaise cost 10 cents, the bread cost 50 cents. The total for lunch was $2.70. We are having a glass of water with our meal.
For an afternoon snack today, we are having some shelled peanuts. For 2 people, the peanuts cost 50 cents.
For dinner, we are having fried cabbage and potatoes. If you want to know how to make this, there is a link to the video below. We are drinking hot tea with our dinner. For 2 people, the cabbage cost $2.40, the potatoes cost 20 cents, the butter cost 30 cents, the tea cost 6 cents, the total for dinner $2.96.
For dessert today, we are having some homemade poverty pie. We used a very simple Depression era recipe. We will post a link to the video that shows you how to make it. For the 2 pieces that we are eating, the cost for the poverty pie was $1.44.
When we add up all of our meals for the day, the grand total was $8.92, and that is for 2 people. The cost per person was $4.46, and that is how much it cost us to eat Great Depression era food all day in 2022. As you can see, these meals are still economical and help to keep food costs low. Nowadays, we always look for sales when we shop and try to eat what is in season. We are very lucky because we live close to many stores. We look at the weekly sales and compare prices, and when we see a good deal, we will stock up for the pantry and freezer. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you like us to post more videos like this one, please subscribe.